In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a funnel with Getresponse. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect an existing landing page inside Getresponse to a specific email list, so that every new sign-up from that page goes straight into the right segment of your audience. Let's start inside your Getresponse account. From your main dashboard, look towards the top menu and find the section called Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools, and from the drop-down that appears, select Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing funnels and landing pages are managed. Give it a moment to load, and you should see a list of all the pages you've already created. Next, find the landing page you want to connect to your email list. On the right side of that page's row, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a quick options menu. From that menu, choose Edit Settings. You're not editing the design of the page here. You're adjusting how it behaves on the back end, especially what happens when someone subscribes through that page. Once the settings area opens, scroll down until you find the section labeled Subscription Settings. This is the crucial part because this is where you tell Getresponse which list should receive the contacts coming from this specific landing page. Inside this section, look for the drop-down labeled Choose List. Click that drop-down and you'll see all the email lists you've set up in your account. Now, simply select the list you want this funnel or landing page to be connected to. Take a second to double-check you're choosing the right one, especially if you manage multiple segments such as prospects, customers, or webinar registrations. Making sure this is accurate saves you from cleaning and moving contacts later. After you've selected your desired list, you need to save these changes so they actually take effect. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Continue. This usually takes you to a confirmation or summary view. From there, go all the way down again and click Publish. Publishing is what locks in the connection between the landing page and the list. Once that's done, your landing page is now linked to the specific Getresponse list you chose. Anyone who opts in through that page will automatically be added to that list, ready for your follow-up emails, automations, or campaigns.